Hi there, my name is Mike, Boomerangme founder, and today in this video I will show you how to create the Multipass card type. First of all, we need to open the card section, tab create the card. At this step we can choose one from 111 ready-made templates for most popular business niches for the local businesses, and we can create card from the scratch. In my case, I will use the art card template. So next one, we can choose the type of card of Multipass. What does this mean? Multipass card type allows you to sell your services like a bulk, like a package of services. For example, you can provide the 10 prepaid visits to your business to the future, and customer will spend the existing visits with the next visit to your business. So we can change the name to clarification and go ahead. Okay, on the next step you can choose the main card language, card expiration date. It can be unlimited one, fixed term into the future, and the fixed term after card issuing. For example, if you want to provide the short-term promotion, for example, for 2 months, you can create this rule for your customers, and the card after installment can be available and active for 2 months after installation. The next one is a location section. Locations, it's a huge opportunity for the local business to attract more customers and increase your customers' retention rates. How it works? We will automatically show geolocated push notifications around 100 meters around each your business location. You can create up to 10 locations to each created card template in our service on the business and agency plans. If you need additional locations, you just need to ask us into the support and we can upgrade your account without any problem. So go ahead. Next one, it's a card issuing form. This is the fields that be filled by your customers when they sign it up on your promotion. By default, we're asking first name, last name, phone and date of birth. You can choose the type of fields, it can be required or not, and unique or not. And my suggestion is to still have phone number like a unique, because phone number, it works like identifier in our database, and obviously I hope you don't need to duplicates in your CRM system. Of course, you can change the count of the fields. You can delete date of birth, for example, and add your own field. It can be, for example, email. Required field, but not unique. The next one, it's a UTM section. Here you can create UTM links to promote your loyalty card via the different distribution channels. For example, if you want to distribute your Multipass for the Facebook, Google Ads, and partners promotion channels, you can create free UTM links, and also you can create unlimited UTM links to your card. Facebook, Google Ads, and partners. Now you just need to copy these links, put into your promotion channels, and keep track statistics what the channel performed better. Next one, it's a standard phone mask for the card issuing form. You can choose the country for the phone mask and the privacy policy. Going next on the design page, and here we can choose from 1 to 30 stamps on your Multipass card of type. What does this mean? For example, if your customer life cycle is around 15 visits, I suggest to set up 15 stamps. And after your customer will be signed up on the card, and for example, you will sell 10 visits for a spa upfront to your customer, like a bulk sale. You just need to create the card for a customer and add 10 visits to the Multipass for a customer. In our case, it's a Multipass art And it can be, for example, the art class where you sell visits to the art school. 15, it's normal case. I think it's a normal count of visit for the customer life cycle. And right after I will show how it works in the CRM system. So going next, active stamps. You can choose one from 200 plus uploaded icons for active or inactive stamps, or you can upload your own images to active or inactive stamps. In my case, it will be the yellow color image for active and black color image for inactive stamps. Obviously, you can upload your logotype and the icon. We show the icon on the push notification near the company name. Here you can check your image uploaded here. And the background of the central part. Right now we have a nice image from the card template, and I don't want to change this image. I will still have this. The next one is the colors of the card. We can choose and change card's background, text color, stamp background, outline color, active stamps, inactive stamps, but this feels available only if we don't use our own uploaded images. And the background color under the stamps, that also can be used if you don't upload your own image for the central part. Next one, it's a field's name for the central section of your front side card. By default, it's a bonus balance and the total visits. The Multipass card time works like here. Your customers purchase 10 visits to the art class, spend these visits with the next visits to your business, spend stamps from the card, I mean. And you can set opportunity to collect bonus points for each spended stamp from the card. For example, your customers spend 10 visits and get 10 points for each spended visit. And after customer finish their life cycle and spend 10 visits, he also collected 100 points. And why we do this here? Because we need to get to customer additional incentive to renew your membership card, your Multipass card, and purchase additional 10, maybe 15 visits. And I highly recommend to use this promotion for increase your lifetime cycle and lifetime value for your customer. For example, you can provide the 30% discount for customers who collected 100 points. At minimum, this help you to get right incentive to customer by at least 10 visits into your art class to collect 100 points and get 30% discount for the next 10 visits. And in this case, you can increase your customer's life cycle. And this is a huge opportunity to increase your lifetime value, of course. So we can choose the pre-made fields on the card, or we can add the additional fields like available visits, first name, last name, font, and email. And these last four fields, it's a data from the card issuing form with the personal data of the customer. So go ahead. We have an option to show your uploaded logotype in the card issuing form and show background color on the card issuing form as well. The next one, it's an informational page. Here we can fill the card description. It's literally the promotion name. In our case, it's not a promotion, it's a Multipass name. It may be the art class and name of your art class. Next one is a company name. Next one is the service that we sell. In our case, it will be the art master classes. Number of welcome bonus points after the card issuing, after your customer create and download the Multipass card, you can add the welcome bonuses to each customer. By default, we suggest to use 10. It can be the 0, it can be 100. It's only up to you. But this is the right option to get additional incentive to the customer to back to your business again and again, because easy to start with the positive bonus balance instead of start with the 0 bonus points card. So go ahead. It's a triggered message that will be sent after customer change the number of visits of the card. For example, after customer visit into your art class, spend 1 stamp, and we will send the transactional push notification your card is updated and available count of limits. And also we can use this informational for count of actual bonus balance. So go ahead, referral program. I highly recommend to activate referral program each time when you're creating a promotional card into the Boomerangme service, because referral program, it's a great opportunity to increase your customer base without any costs, additional costs for marketing and acquisition. And you can have 2 options to reward your referrals and invitees. First time, and I highly recommend it to use the first option. It's a way when you reward your referral and invitee when invitee doing the first purchase into your business. When you get the money, you reward your customers, only in this case. But also you have reward invitee and referral after the invitee just installed the card. Many our customers love this way, and we provide this opportunity to our customers. I highly recommend it to use option 1 anyway. Here is the settings for how many bonus points will be added to referral and invitee after the first purchase in your business. By default 10 in 10. You of course obviously can change the number here and here. For example, you can not add the bonus points for the referrals, but you can add the visits for referral in invitee after the first purchase. And for example, you can add the 1 additional visit to the art class for referral after the invitee purchase the Multipass in your art class. Next one is the active links. Here you can provide your website, phone number, email address, and location address. In our case, it will be the Boomerangme website. Phone number with the phone mask. I recommend to use this number to the active link here. And email address. And I also recommend to use this email address to the active link here on the back side of the card. The next one is the feedback links. That looks like when your customers leaves the positive feedback about your quality control. We are asking each customer after 1 hour after each visit, and if customer provide the 5 or 4-star feedback, we can suggest them to leave additional review to the Google Maps services. You just need to fill your Google Map link to your company. This is the huge way to increase your ranking into the Google search and boost your search engine optimization. And also you can ask customer to leave reviews on Yellow Pages, Yelp, Foursquare, and Facebook. The next one is the terms of use, and here you can change the pre-filled information with your promotional terms. If you have a full terms on your website, you just can put your link here and we will redirect customers to your website to learn more about your promotion. And the issue information for customers who want to ask for support about your promotion. And that's all. We already create the membership card, Multipass type. And right now we can scan the QR code and install the Multipass card on your phone to understand how it looks like and how it works. And if you have some changes, this is the right time to make these changes before you activate the card template. Before you activate your card template, you can issue up to 10 cards to your devices, your friends, and your teammates, for example. And when all corrected will be done, you just need to activate the card, but you need to know that after activation, you can change the card type, loyalty program terms, and card expiration dates, and the card issuing form fields. So, if all is good, just activate the card and download promotional materials prepared in PDF format for A5 or A4 printing. And you just need to download this file, put into the printer and place like a table tent in your local point of sale. So that's all. We already created the Multipass card type, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.